Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to easily delete DMs on Discord mobile, so let's jump right into it. First we open the Discord app and then from here tap on the three lines on the top left corner of the screen. In here you'll find the list of the chats. Pick the one you want to delete the DMs from. You can choose any chat you want. I'm going to choose this one. Now all you have to do to delete the DM is to tap and hold on it for like a second or two. This menu will pop up and you can see here it says delete message. You tap on it and then you tap on yes. Once you do that, the message is permanently deleted and you can do that to any message you want on that chat or in any chat on Discord, just like I am doing here. Now, if this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future solutions to such tech problems. And thanks for watching.